The Body's Highway System, the Circulatory System, by Mary Lou Abbott and Trista Post. The circulatory system has three main functions. It transports materials to and from all cells. It participates in the maintenance of body temperature, lymphatic system, and it participates in the mechanisms of defense against disease and injury. The parts of the circulatory system. Blood is just one component of the circulatory system. The heart and the blood vessels are the other components of the system. The primary role of the circulatory system is to transport, with the overall task of the maintenance of homeostasis of the body's internal environment. The roles of the circulatory system. One of the most important properties of the circulatory system is its ability to limit blood loss following injury. Homeostasis, the natural process of stopping the flow or loss of blood, proceeds in three stages. The first one is vascular spasm, or intense contraction of blood vessels in the area. 2 is the formation of platelet plug. And 3, blood clotting, also known as coagulation. Once blood loss has stopped, tissue repair can begin. How it works. The heart and blood vessels play a critical role in the maintenance of homeostasis, collectively known as the circulatory system or the cardiovascular system. The heart and blood vessels function as centrally controlled blood distribution network. The heart provides the power to move the blood, and vascular system represents the network of branching vessels through which the blood flows. Central control is provided by the nervous system. By controlling the rate at which the heart pumps and the resistance to blood flow through blood vessels, the nervous system distributes blood flow to the various tissues and organs according to need. Homeostasis is not maintained by just the cardiovascular and nervous systems. However, other organ systems are also involved. The digestive system delivers nutrients to the blood passing through the blood vessels. The kidneys of the urinary system remove excess salt, water, and waste products of the cellular metabolism. Glands and the endocrine system secrete hormones into the blood. The respiratory system provides self-sustaining oxygen and removes the waste by product carbon dioxide. Even the skin is involved in homeostasis by adjusting the amount of heat lost from the body.
The two common diseases of the circulatory system are heart attack and stroke. What is heart attack? Heart attack is a sudden death of the heart muscle due to restricted flow of oxygenated blood to the heart muscles, characterized by intense chest pain, sweating, shortness of breath, or sometimes none of these symptoms. So, a heart attack causes a permanent damage to the heart muscles by cutting off its blood supply, which can lead complications like heart failure, arrhythmias, or even sudden cardiac arrest. And how to prevent heart attack? It's very important to have a healthy lifestyle by exercising regularly, eating balanced diet, avoiding tobacco, managing stress, ensuring we get enough sleep, and managing your existing high blood pressure and diabetes. And for sure, talk to your primary doctors. And the second one that we'll be talking about is the stroke. What is stroke? Stroke or a cerebral vascular accident, CVA, is the severe reduction or cessation of the blood flow to the brain, resulting in a variety of serious and often permanent impairment depending on the area of the brain that has been affected. And how to manage or how to avoid stroke. Firstly, we have to manage the blood pressure, the cholesterol level, the blood sugar, and of course, having a healthy diet is and not smoking is very important. And what the damages for people that has had experienced stroke, it can result to a wide range of permanent or long-term disabilities, including physical impairments like paralysis or loss of coordination and cognitive issues. Yeah, and fun facts about the circulatory system. Your heart is always pumping blood. If you press two fingers in the side of your neck, do you feel a pulse? That is your heart beating and pumping blood.